How's it going, guys? Long time no post. Just been working a lot and helping my in-laws move, and my sister and my brother-in-law, and yeah. So one thing I've noticed going into winter I did not think about is 4 o'clock, the corner right there starts getting covered with sun, or with shade, sorry. So what I'm gonna do, get some buddies to help me, is we're going to move it right to the corner of the roof, and then that should fix most of my issues. I also am getting shading from those panels on the very corner there, so that's no good. So we're going to be moving those a little bit. We have a fire going in the house because it is cold out, and I'm gonna show you where I'm putting some more panels temporarily. I'm just going to build a temporary structure till this will be for the winter till next year. It's going to go right here somewhere. Right about here, facing south. It's going to be, I believe it's 8 335 watt panels, so there's quite a bit of panels, quite a bit of watts there. It's like 2600 watts or something. These big flowers, still alive somehow. And yeah, that'll add quite a bit to my system. Right now I have 6100 watts, so that'll be up to about 8700 watts, I believe. It's 8700 watts. And now I'm just going to show you the power room and my progress with making it a room and making it fire resistant. So here is the new room. You got flooring installed. I know you're not supposed to put flooring in until you're done sanding and painting. The sanding's done on this side. Got some sanding to do on this side, but this side's all done. We got, I'm just going to put a tarp down when we paint. Stop the flooring, read at the doors. The floor down there, I'm going to cover that in drywall. Still got to foam the gaps with fire rated foam. And what did we get today? This is what I'm down to, guys. We get so much cloud now this time of year, so we got 2 kilowatts in this one, and we only got 7.7 kilowatts on this one. It's awfully hard to live off of 10 kilowatts a day, not even, barely 10 kilowatts a day, when I'm used to pulling in almost, well, I think a peak in the summer, it was saying 30, but it was actually, I find these meters quite wrong, especially at this higher voltage. I don't know why, but my bank, which is, I believe, connected, let's see, I got that with that's what, 22 kilowatts, so say 18 kilowatts there, another 15 on the wall, plus the Nissan Leaf battery, so that's approximately, let's see, 37 kilowatts approximately. And these we're saying fully charged at, they'll be almost dead in the morning, some mornings, and I think they would put in like 27 or 30 kilowatts, and they'd say these are full, but I believe these are quite a bit off, both of them. So I also find the meter on this thing completely wrong. The Victron says one thing, and Magnus sign says something completely different at these higher voltages. Very, very inaccurate at these higher voltages, but it works, so I'm happy. I rely on my Victron energy monitor. Works very good. That also is a lot closer to my Nero home monitoring system. The watts are very, very close with each other, other than about 10% loss, so this will be 10% lower than what this says, which makes sense because he's about around 90% efficient. And that's it. That's the progress in the power room. I got my LED little pot light style lights, and this room is nice. It's quite warm. Has a window, has a flat bed. Right now, like when someone sleeps in here and the door is closed, there is no actual heat other than what comes through that door. So we do have an electric heater. I'm getting a little wall-mounted baseboard heater that's going to go right here 470 watts, and that'll be like, this room is only powered by solar. There is no other option, so this will be completely run off of solar. But I mean, I insulated this place pretty good, so it shouldn't be too hard to heat. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.